Hi, if you're like me and worry constantly about the safety of your loved ones, then you are going to love Spyine. Spyine is a safe and secure mobile phone tracking app, which allows you to discreetly track mobile phone data. In fact, Spyine gives you complete access to the data of a smartphone without the phone user even knowing. Spyine's simple and easy to use interface is accessed via your web browser, allowing you to monitor the phone remotely. Just log in and start monitoring. It's that easy. You can now join thousands of people around the world who trust Spyine to help them with their phone monitoring. Best of all, Spyine works in complete stealth mode, so the phone user will not even feel like they're being watched or followed. Parents can use Spyine to keep a watchful eye on their children. Partners can check that their loved ones are safe, and employers can monitor the productivity of their staff. Spyine works with both iOS and Android devices. iOS devices don't even require the installation of an app, and Android users simply need to install the Spyine app with a verified email ID. Once installed, you can remove the app from being visible on the home screen, keeping your phone monitoring discreet. Spyine works on any web browser, and once you've logged in, you'll be using Spyine's elegant and simple to use personalized dashboard, giving you access to Spyine's powerful features. With Spyine, you can use real-time location tracking, view browser history, access social media, view photos and videos, check calendars, read messages, keep track of everything that is typed on the keyboard. And with Spyine's geofencing feature, you can receive alerts when the phone enters a designated area. Just log on to spyine.com, set up a one-time account, and in minutes, you'll be using the most trusted phone monitoring system available. Digital Trends, Tech Advisor, and Macworld have positively reviewed Spyine. So head on over to spyine.com, try the demo today, and you'll be on your way to monitoring any phone with complete confidence.